People were asking you, why are you a single mother? Where is the father of your kids? And you are explaining bad things about the father of your kids. You want to play a victim because things that destroy your marriage or your previous marriage, it's because maybe you are wrong, but you want to play a victim. You want to say bad things about your ex-husband, but why you don't explain the whole story? And sometimes, especially women, you know that sometimes women, you want people to feel pity about single mothers, but other people, they are single mothers because of their choices, because of their actions. That's why their marriages are being destroyed. That's why they are single. It's not all of them they are single because sometimes guys don't say single mothers what. No, other people, they are singles because of their choices. Maybe that man was not wrong sometimes, and you want to play a victim, especially women. Women, you want to play a victim. Guys, both of us in that marriage, we are wrong. But the way you are explaining to people, or you are explaining to your family bad things about your ex-husband, bad things about the father of your kids, because that person is the father of your kids, but the way you are explaining about him is not good sometimes. So some people, we don't want to play victims only. Sometimes you have to explain the whole story, or not to explain, because there is no need. Sometimes when you know that maybe there is wrong, maybe you are fighting in your marriage, that's why you separated, you decide to leave the marriage, it's good, because others said maybe you are wrong, you don't know. So don't play a victim, especially women. Guys, women, you want to play victims most of the time. You say my husband was abusing me, or this and that what. But we didn't hear men say those things about us. He can say it's the mother of my kids, even you are separated with him. He doesn't say many things, bad things about you. But women, we want to play victims most of the time when we are wrong. So other people, they are single by choices. It's their choices. The guys, you know that men can say I want to leave that woman because of your actions. But people, when they are asking you, you want to play a victim most of the time, and you want people to feel pity for you because you are a single mother. You are a single mother sometimes by a choice. It's not all of them they are single mother. Yes, other people, they are widows. Their husband passed away, and those people, guys, who their husband passed away without fighting or what, those people now, they are married, they have got husband, and you are still single. You are separated with your man, but you are still single.